okay?
What happened?
Jeremy died this morning.
No.
Jeremy died?
The tall guy? He was so young.
Nah, I called it. You can't be that tall and live.
No. Not stupid tall Jeremy. I wish he'd die. My bird Jeremy. One day he was alive, and then the next. I had him since he was a little.
Bird? Little bird? She was probably gonna say little bird.
Hey, Dina, what you doing over here in the bleachers? It's Color Wars.
Do birds go to heaven?
No, they don't have souls. They just become dirt.
Oh.
Okay? Hey, if it would cheer you up, you could help me plan the pizza party.
What's there to plan? You're just buying a pizza.
No, that's a pizza dinner. The word party changes things. There are certain expectations. I mean, I could do it on my own, but it'd be way more fun to do it with you.
All right, I'll help you with the stupid party.
But wait, not if you don't want to.
Well, you've begged me, so yeah, I'll help you. But I gotta say, I've got some major problems with your ideas.
You haven't even heard them yet.
I've heard them for years. They always suck.
No, they don't. Which one? Dina, we have to prioritize. We don't need a piñata.
Piñatas are awesome. You're hitting things, eating candy, taking turns. What more do you want?
Our party budget is only $60, and the tiny clown alone is $40.
We don't need a tiny clown.
I already agreed to cut the fat clown, remember? So pretty soon this party is gonna have 0 clowns. Is that what you want? A party with 0 clowns? And then in blue icing, have it say congratulations. Got that? No, not congratulations, got that. Just congratulations. No, I don't want you to write congratulations, got that. No, not congratulations, got that. Just congratulations. What do I do here?
He doesn't know English. He's just transcribing phonetically.
Well, what language does he speak?
You hired him. That's why if it was up to me, I'd fire half the staff. No, don't put that on the cake. I hate balloons.
Well, we need them. Balloons are like our souls. They want to go up, but can't. And when you pop them, they scream.
Okay, I thought we were throwing this party together. But sure, let's only get things that are important to Glenn. God forbid we splurge on a piñata for the lady who woke up to her dead best friend and then had to sneak him into her neighbor's garbage can before trash pickup.
Okay, you really want a piñata? I have an idea.
Oh, who cares? I have ideas all the time.
And then we just fill it up again with candy.
Yeah, I know how a piñata works. Thanks. This was a good idea.
Aw.
Hey, this stuffing looks like clouds. We could use this as decorations for the party.
Cloud9! Look at us working together, riffing off each other's ideas, huh? It's kind of like jazz, you know? Ba-do-ba-de-ba-do-pum pim pam pam.
Beep bop beep bop 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 bop.
Yeah! Yeah, go, go, go!
Bop bop wow wow wow. Bop 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 bop. Xylophone sound. Jazzin', we're snazzin'. Sweetly beep bop bop. Teamwork! Oh, come on, guys.
You hired him. That's why if it was up to me, I'd fire half the staff. No, don't put that on the cake, Glenn. Make him stop. See, not so cocky now, are you, Dina? I swear to God, one of these days I'm going to strangle you. I'd like to see you try. Is that a threat? You threaten me.
Is it working?